Hi everybody, let's create this shift and move animation in Canva. So I have these 4 pages of design here. You can have as many as you want, but try to have at least 3 pages so that you have a smooth animation flow. So once your designs are ready, download all the pages as PNG file. Add a blank page, go to upload and upload these downloaded images. Select all these images onto your blank page. Now select all and go to the position tab and align them to center and middle. Now drag its corner to make its size smaller. Hold the shift key while dragging for a uniform resize. Now arrange these pages in the sequence you want them to appear. Make sure there are no white or blank spaces in between the pages. Once you are happy with your arrangement, select all the images and group them together. Before we move on, we have a NextCanvas Canva community on Facebook where we can all learn and grow together. Link is in the description box, so don't forget to join. Now back to tutorial. Select the grouped element and drag it to make it big so it fills the whole page. You may need to zoom out a little to adjust easily. Make sure the image is as the same size as the page. Now add the object you want to move throughout. Adjust the size and position of your object. Now go to the 3 dots and duplicate this page. Now select the background image and drag it upwards while holding the shift key so it goes straight right up. Reposition the object to the new position. Repeat the same procedure till you reach the last page of your design. Delete the previous design slides from this project. You can save a copy also if you need one. Now hover between 2 pages and click on the Add Transition button. Choose Match and Move option. Set the duration time to 0.8 seconds and apply this between all pages. Go to Duration button and set the timing to 1.2 seconds. Don't forget to check the Apply to All Pages button. Your animation is complete and here's the final look. Do try this and share your recreations on our Facebook group. See you next time.